Good morning, guys. Welcome back up to our property up here in southern Utah. Every day now up here, we're doing the finishing touches and everything, and it's just exciting. I feel like every video I'm like, I'm excited because they're doing this today. Today is no different. I'm excited because we are going to be finishing a little bit of cleanup in the apartment, and then we're going to be installing some cabinets. We have the cabinets for the bathroom. We have the cabinets for the kitchen besides one. One was damaged, and we're going to get it later this week, but we can install everything but that cabinet. So not a big deal, but we just need to clean things up and demask. Also, one of the things that we're going to take the masking off of is our beam up top. Once I get done vacuuming, then I can get on the ladder, get up there and take that beam off, and then we can finally see what that glue lamp beam is going to look like exposed up against the white painted walls that we just got done with. That's going to be cool. Whew. Well, my shop vac took a crap. I don't think it likes a little bit of water, a little bit of drywall, a little bit of dust. It was going and it goes, and then it starts smoking and smelling like electrical. I'm having to do things the old fashioned way, sweeping, no big deal. The main great room is done, swept. I just got to put it in a dustpan. But crazy thing, so I'm sitting here sweeping, and I'm like, why is the light in here changed? I've never seen it look like this in here. And then I realized today is the solar eclipse. And I don't have the glasses to look at it, but it is like, the sun is so bright. Oh my gosh. And I'm like, well, it looks totally different, but it's kind of cool. I'm over halfway done, so I'm just gonna keep going. And I just thought I'd let you know that it's like cool. It's such like a weird look outside right now with all the lights and stuff, like with the lights, how it is. It's so weird. It looks like it's overcast, but it looks like it's nighttime, but it's over there and it should be, it's throwing me off a little bit. My mojo's off a little bit. It's kind of weird.
Man, you wanna tell everybody why you're cleaning up again?
Take off all the wrapping on the beam and so much crap fell out of it.
Are you guys ready to see the beam?
I didn't even stain it probably, but I think it's cool.
Here it goes. Oh, it looks really good. I like it. It's like an unboxing.
I'm so out of breath from going up and down the stairs.
Yeah. We had to bring the cabinets up and the kids are bringing bricks up for our hearth.
Check out the cabinets.
Woo! Gray shakers.
They're dirty, really.
I'll clean them up in a little bit after we put them up and stuff.
Cool.
Good job, guys. You're such good helpers. Woohoo!
We still in the cabinet business, right?
Why?
Because this isn't going to be that big of a deal.
Oh, yeah. Well, I just wanted to clear something up really fast because I know a lot of people have the question of what should you do first, cabinets or flooring? And do you want to explain a little bit about why you want to do cabinets before flooring?
What type of flooring you're doing. We're doing the floating, snap-in, luxury vinyl plank flooring. You don't want to put this on top of your floor because it's supposed to float, and you want to install the flooring first around this, and then you put your toe kick on, and then you fill up that gap where your floor doesn't meet exactly up to the cabinet. But the reason why you want to install it first is when it gets hot or cold, the floor expands and contracts, and then if it's doing that and this is sitting on top of it, it won't be able to move. Then you're left with buckles in your floor or apart, and then it's not sealed all the way, so if it gets water in there, then it starts going in more. That's a debate, I think, but we're gonna do it the right way.
We hear that debate all the time from homeowners of whether they want to do the cabinets or the flooring first.
It looks cleaner sometimes just because you don't see that edge, but that's what you have a toe kick for, and little corner bead trim and all that stuff, and you never see it, and that way your floor stays nice for longer. That's what trim and caulk is for the little edges that, like for this. Same thing. So easy to go up on that side.
I originally was just gonna put this 36-inch cabinet all the way against this wall, but after putting it there, the door is just too close and it hits this edge right here. So I bought the filler pieces that match. I bought a couple of these. I'm going to rip like an inch and then add an inch to this so it's farther away from the wall so that it's not hitting. That way you can open this door and it's even all the way extended, it doesn't hit. And then it works out with everything over here. All my measurements will still works. We're good to go there. So I'm gonna go rip this and then put it on there.
You guys are gonna be bricklayers. Equals 4. Woo! Take them on up. Thank you guys. I got a baby kitty. She's so cute. Little sissy bug over here. Yeah, I like it a lot. Do you need help? Level-wise, are we doing any shimming?
Yeah, we gotta do some shit. Just a little bit.
Gosh, framers, I swear. Why is the wall not straight, babe? Knocking a little cocking can't help. I can do flavors. What's your flavor?
In the garage or in the workshop, there's like a dark blue greenish case that says Bosch on it. It's at the very bottom shelf. It's like a plastic case.
Oh, you need the laser. Okay, got you. Popping the door in, one installed down. How many more do we have? All of them?
Every single one.
But that's the damaged cabinet, so we won't be able to put that one in, right?
Yeah. Let's go down and measure the stove. It should be 30 inches. Let's just measure it just to be safe. We'll measure from there over, and then we'll know where this one goes.
Okay.
You know? That I learned when doing cabinets is stud finders. They're all garbage in my opinion. All the little dee 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 dee, they're garbage. I don't like them. These are way cheaper. This is just a magnet. it's like $5 on Amazon. And you just find a stud. All the screws that we're using to put in the drywall, it'll tell you right where it's at. Never fails, right? It's perfect.
Yes.
And it makes it so much easier. And then this is what I used to do. I put a laser, so you find your stud over there, go over there, and then you put your laser right on it, and then it's a self-leveling laser. If you move it, it still levels it, right? And then you know exactly inside the cabinet where you're gonna put your screw. And it's fail safe.
I like it. Go. Work harder. Work faster. How cool is this though? Tell me about your surreal life.
Every time I look at us putting these cabinets in, I'm like blown away. I'm like, are we at this point right now?
We're at this point.
This is crazy.
We could bring our appliances in and load up the kitchen.
We need flooring before we can bring the appliances in. Which, one of the appliances is wrong.
Yeah, we just found that out. We gotta go
We
do
went
some
and measured
swappy woppy.
Yeah, we went and measured the gas range, and it was electric.
But the part number and everything,
Yeah.
everything about it says that it should be gas. I cannot get over the view just standing here in the kitchen. It's so pretty.
We got all the kitchen cabinets in that we have today. We're missing a 36-inch cabinet that was damaged, and then I don't know where things went wrong. We're missing one right here where this chair is. It's gonna be another one exactly like that. It's gonna come over, and then our stove's going right here. That is electric that we gotta get swapped out. Then, I don't know what went wrong, but this is a really big opening for a dishwasher. It's only supposed to be 24 inches. It's actually 36 inches. I don't know what happened.
I don't know why we made it that big.
It wasn't we, it was me. Whatever. So I already went online and I bought a 12-inch cabinet that's gonna go from there over, fill in that gap. So we'll probably have to wait a week or so for that, but that's not a big deal.
Don't let the people think that what goes through you did not come through me for before it gets done.
Like I used to do cabinets and bid out cabinets and install cabinets for like 7 years.
We're sounding like real amateurs right now.
But
actually, but we didn't install dishwashers, so
right?
technically.
That's a good point. That's what I don't know why I thought I don't know.
Why a dishwasher
no idea.
so big?
It's not that big. Anyway.
It definitely fits my booty, and I made a good dishwasher.
Now we just have these 3 cabinets left right here. 2 of them go in the laundry above the washer and dryer, and then the other one goes above the toilet, right?
Yeah.
The 12-inch cabinet?
Yeah.
I already said that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have a 12-inch cabinet. We ordered it. It's gonna fill in this little gap because it's not supposed to be 36. It's only supposed to be 24. So it'll just be a little sliver of a cabinet, but no one will ever know once it's installed.
Tinfoil needs a home too, you know?
Right?
Let's talk about how you're gonna cover up my feminine hygiene products and the extra toilet paper that we have.
Yeah, so we have a cabinet that's going in our little toilet nook, and that's gonna sit above the toilet bowl up there a little ways. And then we have 2 of these, the other one's sitting outside. They're gonna go above the washer and dryer to hold all the whatever stuff, womanly things. I don't know.
Mostly linen.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
This is like crucial. 57 and like 5/8.
Okay.
Come over here, babe, so we can see our beautiful cabinets. They're
Anna,
cool.
light it.
We're still missing a few right here and right there. But it still looks awesome. Looks like we made some progress today.
Yes, we did make progress.
Starting to look like a finished place to live, right?
Yes.
So I think that's all the time we're gonna have for this video, guys. I'm super excited to get this far today. We also put the cabinets in the bathroom, so those are done as well. Lots more to come, so stay tuned.
Yes, please like, comment, subscribe, follow along. Let's have fun together. Dance parties, woo! I don't even think we did a dance party this video. Here's a dance party. Woo, woo. Cabinets. You gotta do the shaker for the shaker cabinets.
All right? Anyways, we'll see you guys in a few days.